Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 3. Our today's topic is CBQ 3. It means competency based question 3. Our lecture 26, homework 25. Dear students, I'll solve CBQ 3 in this class. Okay dear students, let us see the question here at first. CBQ 3. The price of 2 exercise books is 60 taka and that of a pen is 45 taka 60 paisa. Bijay gives the shopkeeper a note of 500 taka for these items. First question. What is the total price of 2 exercise books and a pen? Dear students, total price of 2 exercise books and a pen we have to find out in the first question. It means that we have to add the price of 2 exercise books and a price of a pen and the price of a pen. We have to add. Okay dear students, now question B, how much will the shopkeeper return to Bijay? Dear students, it means that Bijay bought 2 items and the total price he has to pay. If he wants to pay the total price for this, he gave the shopkeeper 500 taka and shopkeeper will return some money to Bijay, and that is the question B. Okay dear students, let us solve the question A at first. What is question A? What is the total price of 2 exercise books and a pen? So we can write the price of 2 books. I will not write the exercise here. Price of 2 books. What is the price? That is 60 taka. Dear students, here paisa is not mentioned here, but in case of the price of pen, paisa is given, so I am writing here 00 paisa. Okay, now the price of a pen. Price of a pen. What is the price of a pen? That is 45 taka 60 paisa. This is given in the stem. Okay dear students, now we need to add these 2 prices. We'll get the total price of books and pen. So we can write total price. Total price. We have to add now. At first add paisa with paisa. So we can say here 0, here 6 and 0 is 6. 60 paisa. If it is larger than 100, then we have to keep the money that is less than 100, and for each 100 we have to consider 1 taka, and that we have to add with this. But there is number is their number is 60. This is less than 100, so no need to do anything here. Just write this. Okay. Now add 60 and 45. Now 5 and 0 is 5. 4 and 6 is 10. So total is 105 taka 60 paisa. So we can say therefore the total price of two exercise books and a pen is 105 taka 60 paisa. Okay dear students, so I think the answer of A we have obtained, that is 105 taka 60 paisa. This is our question A. Now I will solve question B. What is question B? Question B is how much will the shopkeeper return to Bijay? It means that we need to find the amount of money what the shopkeeper will return to Bijay. Bijay gave shopkeeper 500 taka, and the total price of books and pen is 105 taka 60 paisa that we get from A. So we can write from A we get total price of books and pen is 105 taka 60 paisa. Now Bijay gives 500 taka. It means that 500 taka 00 paisa. Therefore, not therefore here, total price is 105 taka 60 paisa. Okay, dear students, now if we subtract, we'll get the returning money. So we can write here shopkeeper returns how much money will the shopkeeper return? Shopkeeper returns. Now we have to subtract 60 paisa from 00 paisa. As there is no paisa given, so we have to consider here 1 taka. 1 taka means 100 paisa, and we have to subtract 60 paisa. If we subtract, we will get here 40 paisa. So here will be 40 paisa. Okay, now as I have taken 1 taka as loan here, so we have to give that one here. So this will be now 6. If we subtract 6 from 10, we will get 4, and then 1 from 10 will get 9, and then 2 from 5 will get 3. 394 taka 40 paisa. 394 taka 40 paisa. So we can say therefore the shopkeeper will return to Bijay 394 taka 40 paisa. Okay, dear students, so we can write answer 394 taka 40 paisa. So this is our answer of question B. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Do this as your homework. This is your homework 25. Dear students, submit your homework on next Sunday. You know that homework is very important for your annual examination, as your city marks, diary marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. So keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.